लाइफ में कभी कभी ब्रेक लेना का ये मतलब नहीं होता है कि दैट यू आर शर्किंग फ्रॉम योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, बल्कि समटाइम्स गिविंग ब्रेक टू योर सेल्फ हेल्प्स यू टू रिवाइव, to perform better in your life. So in this video I am taking you guys in my short trip to escape from busy life. Guys, you can see down there it is like a viewpoint written Kanyam, so you can have good photos from there. The view from there is really nice. So guys, I'm leaving my some stops over here, so I'm going up there. There are some line of trees, so let's go. I'm gonna show how the visuals from there. So like there is another viewpoint there, where there, and from there you can have a 360 view all around. And to reach Kanyam I took shared taxi from Darjeeling to Pashupati, and from Pashupati to Fikal, and from Fikal to Kanyam, which cost me around 300 rupees Indian value. Guys, I can't go far away from this point because I left my things over there. So guys, yeah, this is the visual from here.
Hello, YouTube channel subscribe गरिदिनु होला.
Thank you. थर्ड टाइम, क्योंकि मेरा GoPro का SD कार्ड एरर हो गया है. थर्ड टाइम, दिस इज़ द थर्ड टाइम. एक्चुअली द थिंग इज़ दैट लाइक मैंने चीपो वाला SD कार्ड खरीदा था. आई थिंक इट इज़ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. एंड वन थिंग, टुडे आई मेट आर्य सागर. ही इज़ द बेस्ट यूट्यूबर ऑफ दार्जिलिंग. हाँ, यहीं पर मिला था. आई मेट हिम लाइक ही वॉज जस्ट अबाउट टू लीव, एंड वो गाड़ी में जाने वाला था तो मैं ऊपर जा रहा था. सो फिर से एक बार चलते हैं. आउट ऑफ ब्रेथ. सो दिस इज़ द सेकेंड टाइम. देयर आर सम मोर, जस्ट few more steps. So let's continue. वहाँ नीचे में चलते हैं अभी हम. Oh my, I don't like today, like it's my day bad or weather is bad, like क्योंकि like the whole area is like not clearly visible. It's kind of hazy view. Only in some part of there is sunlight with interruption. Sometime you get to see there, sometime you get to see there. It is happening like this. So this part is turning dark. Even let's go there further, क्योंकि there is no any like much crowd. So let's take a rest for a while. Meantime तो मैं अपना GoPro का वीडियो लैपटॉप में ट्रांसफ़र करूँगा, क्योंकि आई कांट टेक रिस्क फॉर द, क्योंकि फिर से मैंने शूटिंग करना स्टार्ट किया है तो फिर से मैं अपना फाइल लूज़ नहीं कर सकता. सो लेट्स Oh. Climb up this way. This is the road जहाँ से मैं आया था. So I'm not returning that way today. I'm taking this one because like मेरा मैंने ये डिसाइड कर लिया है कि that today, not today, tomorrow morning तो हम पातीबारा मंदिर जाएंगे. तो ये डिसाइड किया है. So let's see. Okay, done with file transfer and again heading back to the viewpoint. Kanyam is a tourist destination in Elam district of Nepal, which is known for its green tea garden and picnic spot. It is known as Queen of the Eastern Nepal due to its natural environment. Okay, I'm descending down there. So this is my last byway to this viewpoint. So let's go down there. People are really looking cool in different attire. Nice. एकदम अच्छे दिख रहे हैं. These are some of the spots even you can visit while visiting Kanyam and this Antu. Like some of not some of my friends, but just I met a few friends just a couple of hours ago. Like they were suggesting me to visit that Antu Dada. Actually it is far over there. So like guys, now I'm, as I already told you guys, that I'm planning to go Patibara side. So this time I skipped the Antu part. So like I really don't know from where I can get the vehicle to reach there. So let's see. So where I can get the vehicle. So guys, you can get lot of stalls. Guys, you can get lot of stalls from starting from there to, I don't know, it's no ending part is where, but you can get lots of stalls from this one is empty, this one is, I think it's closed today, but from here you can get the stalls of costumes. From here it's food stall. I'm already full because I already had chawal, so I'm not eating anything else. So I'm just trying this Kanyam tea. The tea was really good. Its flavor was really nice, and if you guys are tea lover, then I recommend you guys to try tea of Kanyam. Done with tea, so I'm heading to, I don't know where, the main stand or पातीबारा साइड जाने कहाँनिर पाउँछ होला गाडी? पातीबारा जाने साइड यहीँनिर पाउँछ उयो गाडीहरू कहाँ जाने होला
झापा जाने हो पाथीहरूसम्म पुऱ्याइदिन्छ
ए हुन्छ हजुर ओके दे आर सम व्हीकल्स वो झापा तक जाएंगे बोल रहे हैं पर लेट्स सी दे गोना टेक मी और नॉट Eventually I got the vehicle and gave my last web to this lively place and headed towards to cover my next destination. Alright guys, everything done. I had my dinner and right now I am in this hotel name Blue Unique Hotel, and like the food was really good, although it was like a little more spicy, but it's good one. And guys, I am staying in this hotel for a night because like today I could not cover Patibara Sport. So I'm hoping to cover it tomorrow early in the morning. So guys, so stay tuned. I will keep posted. Alright guys, this is my last destination in Ilam, Nepal. So once again, staircase. You can see right behind me the statue of Buddha. Wow, this is really nice. Yeah, I think it is under construction, not fully done. It's under construction, and my trip to Kanyam and over here in this place. So yeah, don't forget to do 3 things. First, if you like this video, give thumbs up to this video, and if you like my vibe, then hit subscribe, and if you really love this video, do share to your loved ones. Okay, this is it for this vlog, so see you on next vlog. Have in the thali is like achar, chana, rice, saag, papad and dal.
And here some items. There are many onions and there one. This is the only one.